In this video, we're going to answer this question. Basically, they're asking how do you link a phone number and make it clickable so that when people click on it, it calls. So for example, see this phone number, you click on it, it starts to call it. So the way you do that is you go into your page or your post, wherever you want to do it, and just say, we're going to say, call me today. Put my phone number right there. All you have to do is highlight it, click the link, and then you'll type in tell colon and then copy this. And I think you put plus in there. I can go over here and verify. So we go down here and you right click and it's a copy link address. You'll see it says tell plus and then it's got 1 in the area code and the phone number. So that is how you do it. So just click save and publish, and then we can go look at that, and then I'll take it out of there. So if you've been keeping track, this looks totally different. It's pretty cool now. So we'll go here, and then we have that section that says, actually, let's see, which one did I update? Pros and cons of Somerville. Okay, so I gotta click on Somerville, and then see right here where it says, call me today. See, links it up. That's how you do it. Anybody else have more questions? Let me know in the comments.